Hello and welcome to Curious Questions. Today's curious question is, what is the moon? When you look up at night, what's the biggest, brightest thing you see? The moon. It's our glowing neighbor, always hanging above us. Sometimes it's a full circle, sometimes just a sliver. The phases depend on how much of the sunlit side we see as it orbits Earth. When it's between Earth and the sun, we see a new moon. The rest are just in-between views. The cycle goes from full moon to new moon and back, taking about 29.5 days. But the moon doesn't actually change shape. It's always a sphere. The moon's phases have inspired stories, poems, and even our first calendars. The moon reflects sunlight, acting like a giant mirror in the sky. The moon is always moving, orbiting Earth in a cosmic dance. It takes about 27.3 days to complete one orbit, a lunar month. Though it looks close, the moon is actually about 384,400 kilometers away. So far, it would take months to drive there. Gravity keeps the moon in its path, just like a ball on a string. The moon travels at over 3,600 kilometers per hour to stay in orbit. If it slowed down, it would crash into Earth, and if it sped up, it would fly away. The moon also spins on its axis in the same time it orbits Earth. So we always see the same side. This is called synchronous rotation. The moon is our closest neighbor in space, which is why it outshines the distant stars. For thousands of years, people have gazed at the moon, using its cycles to guide farming and navigation. The moon is a natural satellite, a rocky, airless world that orbits Earth. Other planets have moons too, but ours is special. It's a silent, dusty place that shapes life on Earth. Each night, the moon appears in a new spot in the sky, rising in the east and setting in the west. Its steady movement has made it a natural clock for centuries. No matter where you live, we all share the same moon. It's more than a pretty light. It's a key part of our planet's story. This celestial dance is happening right now above your head. Isn't that amazing? Through a telescope, the moon's surface is rough, covered in craters, mountains, and valleys. Craters were formed by ancient impacts, preserved for billions of years because the moon has no atmosphere or weather. The dark patches, called Maria, are vast plains of hardened lava from ancient volcanic eruptions. The lighter highlands are older and more cratered. The moon's gravity tugs on Earth, creating ocean tides. As Earth spins, different areas pass through these bulges, causing high and low tides twice a day. The sun affects tides too, but the moon's pull is stronger. When the sun, Earth and moon align, we get extra high spring tides. When they're at right angles, we get weaker neap tides. Why do we only see one side of the moon? Because of tidal locking. The moon rotates once for every orbit around Earth. Imagine a friend circling you, always facing you. You never see their back. That's the moon. The far side isn't dark. It gets sunlight too, but we can't see it from Earth. We first saw the far side in 1959, thanks to a Soviet spacecraft. It's more cratered and has fewer Maria than the side we know. The moon's hidden face is a reminder of the mysteries still out there. For centuries, the moon was a distant dream, until the 20th century when humans built rockets to reach it. The space race between the US and Soviet Union led to the Apollo program. On July 20th, 1969, Apollo 11's lunar module landed in the Sea of Tranquility. Neil Armstrong stepped onto the moon, saying, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for humankind." He and Buzz Aldrin explored, collected samples, and set up experiments while Michael Collins orbited above. 12 astronauts walked on the moon between 1969 and 1972, bringing back knowledge and lunar rocks. These missions revealed the moon's secrets and inspired the world. Visiting the moon showed what humanity can achieve together. Today we're planning to return, ready for new discoveries. Because the universe has secrets and we want to learn them all. Today on Curious Questions, we did answer one question: what is the moon? To put it simply, the moon is Earth's natural satellite and is a large round object in space that orbits around our planet. Thank you for watching Curious Questions. Join us next time as we try to answer some of the universe's greatest questions.